Once you load the plane, according to how much you load it, you will see crates in it. The little problem is that you can't really go in them unless you know, you free yourself, which is something you can do on the ground, but you can't do it on while flying. So we can at least enter a bit, do a quick inspection of the cargo boxes. Everything looks tidy and quite well organized. I like that. This is a bit dodgy, by the way. These two couple of yeah, these boxes are a bit dodgy, so we might actually need an inspection later as we're in flight, because again, oh wow, it's a pretty big one. And yeah, where the view is, okay, so we actually have a pretty low. I will reload now. Yeah. So the route is nice, we like that. Oh man, I can't wait to take off on this. Let's see, I hope we can get a seat that goes around the city. Let's see if we can pick one. A nice one. Oh well, we don't really have seats anymore though. I don't think, yeah, Navigraph is impossible. Okay, now we see everybody, I think, almost. Yeah, better than somebody else here. Yeah, well, I think there is people around me, which is nice, and we shall proceed closing every door. So options, close, 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 and I'll give you a nice exterior view of this because it's actually a pretty nice movement. Oh, the fruit stand library flap. Oh yeah, absolutely. In the meantime, we'll close the doors. Don't worry. They will still, they will take some time. Oh man, my throat. My throat is fucked tonight. I shall soothe it with beer. So this is the doors closing. I don't see my GPU, so that's a bug, I think. Oh man. And then we'll start. Cathay Pacific Cargo tonight. Oh yeah. The plane is smiling. She's very happy. The Queen is happy tonight, guys. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is it. Oh wait. Takeoff flap position. 20. Ah, because I gave too much power. Shut up, man. Stay quiet, come on. Runway's dry. Okay, that's not the case. Okay, ooh, this way. And I think you guys are this way. Yeah, I think. Let's go. F8, get rid of this. So yeah, the engines are okay now. And speed brakes armed, flaps going down. Okay, and runway turn off lights. The wings are on. Oh no, the wings are not on. Okay, the wings should be on. The logo should be on. Here we go. And I think I need to turn on these. Okay. And go there. Alright, so flight director 1 and 2 and auto thrust. Oop. Going on the grass. Okay, little gear test. The gear is working fine. Very good. Suspensions are also nice. Scenery just weighs you down, man. Well, sometimes it fucking does. Let me give you my opinion. Alright, so this is set. I would like this to be a little brighter if possible. So that's already bright. And that's also bright. Okay, fine. Wings are not on. This goes to rejected takeoff. Okay, and then oh, the lights are here. Well, I'll take a look later maybe. Or no, they're here. There. Okay, now what's the QNH here? Do we know? 10 something? Do I have a landing view? Yes, or a takeoff view. QNH in Hong Kong is 1017. Come on. Ah, man, I hate you. Anyway, maybe a scroll wheel. Ah, fuck off. I'm not gonna change. We're gonna leave it like that. So I see Flap, I see Vetter, I see everybody. Oh guys, thank you so much for waiting. I shall start my VA flight, I think. I hope. Can I do this? 350 actually. Here. And oh, you were parking here. Okay, I'll follow you. 350. Without plunging in the water, maybe, yeah? That'd be nice. Oh, nice. Look at that little pier. Alright, so here we are, boys. I'm ready. I'm here with you. This is the holding point Tango. And at the Tango holding point, we're all ready to go. Let me see outside. Oh, wow. Wow. Alright, boys. I think we can go. If you want to take off, take off. If you want to be mean, be mean. Go toga, baby. Toga, come on. Next is toga, is togain. Is togain. I don't know how to say. Is toinga. And there you go. And he goes. Off he goes. From the lovely Hong Kong. Team 787 is lining up. I'm gonna start my flight. Mini window. Slim. And off goes next. Leaving the lovely Hong Kong. Rotating already. Taking off towards the Olophanes and the mountains. Right in front of him. Very nice. Water reflections are very nice during night, yes. Hello Steven, good evening sir. And look, he's already doing the turn, as a real pilot should do. Otherwise you're a dead pilot. So yeah, in that case, you know, it's better. So next is has taken off. Should I move forward? Yes, why not? Team is also taking off. I hope I'm not plunging into the sea. And let's see team taking off. Here we go. Here we go. Nice. And team apparently, yeah, well, he will take off at some point. He's taking off now. I don't know, maybe always a different scenery, maybe. Okay, let's go. More sounds. Frungi is also taking off, I think. Who's taking off now? Wait. Frungi? Yes. Joystick issues. Ouch. Ouch. And Frunge is also taking off. Team has some joystick issues. And we're aligning as Frunge rotates. We have the taxi light. Yes, holding point. Yes. Beautiful. Frunge is rotating. Oh man, look at that. So good. And also flap is taking off. Yes. Okay, I don't know where we need to turn, but hopefully soon. Frunge, flap. Nice. Holding point is here. And as we watch flap rotating, we're also turning, and flap is rotating nicely. And we have another one in front of us that will take off soon. As we turn as well, Vetter, we're gonna wait for him to take off as we hold here. Wow, look at that, guys, beautiful. And Vetter is also taking off. We're gonna watch him. Hello, Flyboy. Hello, there's a few more guys here. Mini Arma, hello, sir. Now, let's see. I don't want the dome, you bastard. Okay. I don't know why there was the dome on. Oh, maybe because it's one of the keys. And Vetter is also taking off. So, what we're gonna do... Engine sounds, please. View, cockpit view. For now, line up, please. Okay, so... Here's what we're gonna do, guys. First of all, stop. Okay, so LNAV, VNAV. Vetter is taking off now. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna follow basically the flight director and do a little control. Yeah, the pitch is set. The flaps are 20. Everything is ready. We just need to set this to 250 just in case. Okay. And I think we're ready to go. And the clock can start, although it's a bit of a shitty one, but it's okay. And more engine sounds in 3, 2, 1, go. The trim is set. Okay. Toga, baby. Well, derated. Okay, hopefully we'll have some... I think that's already set. Oh wow, there's a bit of wind. Okay, thank you. So I'm hoping I can do a decent takeoff. I'm hoping, really, but I'm not sure, so you're gonna have to bear with me.
V1.
Yeah, thank you. Rotate. Gently.
V2.
And get up. Turn. Plunge. Ah, the fuel low. Fuck off. And thrust reference. Keep turning.
$1,000.
Ooh. Thankfully we're not descending. Okay, so keep going. Actually, that should have been a little steeper turn, yeah? Flaps up 1 notch. Well, okay, that's okay. I need to stop this. Flaps up to 5, please. Okay, that's a very gentle turn I'm doing, but that's okay. I prefer this than flaps coming up slowly. We're actually not too heavy. Wow, nice. Okay, well, that's okay. gonna go towards this guy now. And we're penetrating the first clouds, which is quite cool. And you can get really good engine sounds. Okay, Jim Bob, thank you. I will. For this plane, you mean? Well, for any plane, and then you just rename the files, I guess. Nice. Alright, boys, I'll leave you with this for a sec, for a couple of minutes. I'll go grab a beer and a very quick pee break, and I'll shall be back with you. Okay, here we are, boys and girls. Jim Bob, thank you for the follow, man. Thank you so much. Did you see the notification? Did it come up on the screen for your follow? Because I've been having some issues lately, and I don't know if the notification, the alert is coming up. I hope so. Anyway, climbing through the clouds, which is very nice, and climbing at 270. That's okay. It's one of the, it's a very fast climb, but we like that. Yes. Nice climbing music as well, I would say. Shall we take a look outside? Let's go. At the beauty. Well, we don't see much, but she's a beauty indeed. Well, we don't see much. It's probably better from here. And again, with the proper lighting and maybe with different textures, which I will download. I have downloaded. Motto night motto. Let me see. I will clear the list because I have no idea what's in it. Let me see what's in it first. Night motto DJ. Night. That's a good idea, yes. That was song requests. I hope the website is online tonight. Yes. There's some stuff in it. Shall I go with this? I'll probably get rid of Jurassic Park, I think. Or do we wanna keep it? Do we wanna go for what's in it already? Should I delete it? I have no idea, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna delete it, and then you start adding the new stuff. Yeah. Make the today's mood prevail on the playlist on Night to Bot to DJ. So start populating something, and we will soon switch into it. Yeah. What about it? I think so. I think it's a good idea. As the sun is rising, and as Mr. Pilot Ximmer is following us, which is very nice, we are still proceeding on course. I hope he's gonna land with us as well. That'd be nice. A nice escort during the flight. I see planes in front of me. That's beautiful. The YOLO flock is complete. At least I see your lights, some of your lights, guys. Hello, sir. Tim, where are you? You're supposed to defend me and to escort me. You're not. What's happening? Why is this happening, man? But anyway, I feel safe anyway in the hands of Pilot Ximmer, so I'm quite happy. Hello, sir. It's good to have you. You're doing a freak, apparently. Yes, it looks like. That's nice. A very nice direct. It's not complete. I'm not there. Oh, silent. That's true. Well, almost complete tonight. For tonight. Team, it's not there. I don't know. Something must have happened, I think, at this team, because it's stuck on the map as well. And when that happens, usually it's because the sim crashes or FS Cloud crashes. I don't know. But I think if FS Cloud crashes, you disappear. I think. But anyway. Next is in front of everybody, is already turning to the next waypoint, and so yeah, it's very far away from us. Team is going back. No, main. Oh, main. Why? Okay, give me the sun rising, please. Thank you. I see. Oh, he's gone to the other. Oh, thank you, pilot. Actually, pilot. So, Pilot Simmer, would you mind maybe going? Yeah, if you come closer to the wing here, then we can see you. There's another plane there. Who's that? I see another plane there. Who's that? Anyway. Anyway, there's another plane there, but I have no idea who that is, because it's not on the map. So that's interesting. Still, it's a plane. So, yeah. Anyway. If the interceptor wouldn't mind coming maybe closer to the wings, then where you can see our interceptor, our how do you call the angels that safe angel? I don't know, whatever. Bodyguard, the angel guard. Someone get Nex's attention. I have a cool livery for him to try. Oh, well, I think Nex is here, or maybe I don't know. Maybe it's a star. Don't think so. He's blinking. No, Jim Bob, really? Fuck. That's not good. That's not good, man. What's the weather now? Mostly cloudy. Apparently it doesn't rain, but we'll see. Oh shit. Let's see. Oh, Soundmax. No, I haven't. No, I didn't. I didn't hear a great thing. I think I didn't hear great things about it. There you go. So yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Can I maybe try? It doesn't work. I have no idea what this works. VVDN is somewhere in Vietnam. Thank you, Mega. Yeah, so because it's disabled, sorry. Okay. So this is separate from it. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so cloud penetration. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Modern music, apparently. Who's this? It's a new DJ? It's like 12. What is it? 13 years old? How old is it? Have I seen that Twitch? Twitch installs our Linux. What? I haven't seen this. No, what is it? It's a new DJ. Okay. No, that's beautiful. What the hell is that, Flap? What the fuck is that? Seems nice though. I will check later. I'm following it. I will check it out. People in chat can give Lovely. Genius. Then dance even more. Come on. So really that many people go to see him? Really? It's like a new Skrillex, isn't it? Come on, people, dance, come on. All right. There you go, see, Woody dances in the end. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Okay, back to Japan, baby. Yeah. All right. So, Eiga. We're gonna reduce the range a little more. The range. Oh, you keep dancing it. Nice. Yes, very good, very good. Hello, rising sun. Let's take a look outside, yeah? Shall we? Come on. boy. It's grey over here as well. Ouch. Approach. You have no visibility next. Let me see. Actually, I have some low clouds here. I like this plane, donkey. Oh wow, very low visibility that one next. I'm liking this, man. Okay, so let's keep this speed. All right. And what I think I will do. What I will do here, I think we're gonna go manual. So we're at, what's the radio? Oh, 1600. I just wanna make sure that at 1000 I don't have shit weather or shit visibility. Because these clouds, I'm not sure. But it looks like it's gonna be okay. So get rid of this first. Okay, give me the speed. Okay, a lot better than default. Oh yeah, definitely. 1000.
1000.
Thank you. Okay, off. And let's see, boys, what we can do. Okay. So the wind is... Oh, now it's tailwind. Interesting. Okay. Very interesting. That was interesting.
$500.
500.
400.
All right.
300.
Come on, baby.
200. 100.
A little...
50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Ooh. Wow. Mediocre. Wow. Well, we saved it. More than mediocre, we kinda saved it because it was going to be crappy. Well, could have been better. Could have been a lot better. But nonetheless, it wasn't too crappy. But yeah, could have been a lot better. Oh, everybody's there, so I'm gonna reach you guys there and turn. Thank you, Carbo. Yeah, we saved it. We saved it. But I'm not particularly happy. Thank you, Noodle. Thank you, man. Thank you, guys. I appreciate your messages. Thank you so much. You're once again really too good. Really good with me. But thanks. Yeah. Well, I'm not particularly happy. I don't know. I think I got sleepy. What the fuck? I didn't realize. I didn't pull enough. As usual. Still, we kinda, at least we didn't smash it. And now we're gonna reach our friends. Hello, Pilot Zimmer. Thank you for escorting, man. Thank you so much. I'm really happy for your services. Oh, you didn't spill the drink. Wow, no, man. Again, too good. Way too good. I didn't pull enough, exactly. Thank you, Blau. Yeah, as usual. Oh, next, you're in the hangars there, or in the What are greenhouses maybe? Little greenhouses. I think they're growing strawberries and melons in there. Even, what do you grow there? Aubergines maybe you grow in those? I don't know. Definitely strawberries. Oh man, again, too good, but thank you. Forecast was right, rain. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm gonna park here, next to Frungi. With you guys, together with you guys. And Flappy. Do I have a gate between Frungi and Flappy? No. Oh, maybe yes. Wait. Let me go outside. Let me take a look outside. Did we finish the flight in time? I hope so. Actually, it is raining. For some reason I have the speed brakes still on. Oh no, I can't. So I will park here. I will reverse a bit. The YOLO cucumbers. Why not? Why not? I think I'm gonna park here, guys. Okay. I have to park here. Alright. So I will park here. So I'm between everybody. There. In front of that little car there. Waiting for us and unload all the cargo. Why all my flappers still out? What the hell? I didn't really do anything here. Okay, fine. Replay time, please. Replay back. Close. I don't see that name though. Who's that? Oh, that's me. Oh boy. Your song. Very nice. Here we go. Here is Flap coming in. Oh. With it, is that a 350? Of course, yes. Wow, Flap, wow. Beautiful. I'm sorry. Oh man, Flap, that was a beautiful landing. Congratulations. Oh man, such a fucking Egypt. My God. It's a Turkish song, yes. And it's a very good one. A nice video, I have to say. A very nice video. Okay, there's a combined landing here, apparently. Next in Frungi. Oh, you didn't know Chitrak was here. Yes, mega. Next, oh, we can see both actually. The lovely touchdown. Oh, Frungi went for the other one. Oh, wow, a greaser. Next is the greaser. Wow, beautiful. Frungi, Frungi. Ah, there. Ah, man, last minute. I think it was a lovely touchdown, but if you wanna replay again, I will watch closer ever, even. And then we'll watch our replay from the runway view, the cargo spotter view. That will be the official cargo spotter view. Here we go. Oh, nice, next. All right. Let's go. Play. Give us the sound. Prepare for a loud sound. Prepare your ears. Come on. You're here listening to your iPod. This lovely and sweet song. once all of a sudden here we go. Oh boy, that was I like that. Saved it. Awesome Gamer 444, thank you for a follow. You're an awesome follower. Let's do it again. That save was nice. I like that. A little less loud. Nice. Nice. More loud. It was nice, man. Okay, okay. From the front. Like this. There. Man, it was soft actually. Why was it loud? I don't know. I liked it. I don't think it was bad. Let's see. Oh, Franco. To be honest, I like it, but fuck it. It's okay. Quite YOLO. Wow, thank you, Mega. Well, we did it. Wow, and a golden YOLO star. The fuck, man. The last minute save. Thank you, Robo Alex. Thank you, man. Wow, guys, you're too good. Yeah, I think you're too good. I'm gonna watch it from here, because usually we're very unlucky with the tower view. Oh, pom pom pom. 89. Let's see from there, maybe. Maybe we're lucky tonight, I don't know. Maybe we're lucky with the tower. Because it's also a nice view, usually. There we go. Thank you, Robo Alex. That's what you get for... G-Track is a modified one. It was okay, come on, a bit bumpy. Ah, beautiful. Use this stuff out of this chat, please. Don't do this shit. We're very sorry, but things are developing, so we let the speculation outside, please, please, please. Still a liar. You're right, Zitra, you're right. You're absolutely right.